channel, Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, my 2 children unbox basically anything we can get our hands on. Mystery boxes and subscription boxes are more like me, and my husband, he likes kind of more boring stuff. As you can see from my fingers and my hands, I've already done a video or 2 by this point. So we're going to get into Medusa makeup. Now, this is my first month with it, so I haven't had it before. I've been trying a lot of new ones just to expand, because I mean, I usually get my BoxyCharm, my Ipsy, you know, ice cream, that kind of stuff. So I want to test out something a little bit different. So it does say that I have a bonus item in here, whatever that means, for I don't know what reason. But we're going to check it out. So the Medusa makeup is $32.50 for the Canada one. And I can't remember how much it is for shipping, but I'm going to say it's around $50 Canadian. So it's quite pricey. So I mean, if I don't like it, I might not get it again. It might be one of those that I just do a one-off once in a while and then cancel and, you know, take my chances. So it did come. And I mean, it's not like I really care about this little package bubble wrap thing, but it is ripped. So note that. So we're gonna just dump out all the items. And we do have a little pamphlet that says January 2023. So first is the All Day Facial Toner. So it's by Lovebird. And it's a rose all day. Brighten Soothe Skin is 60 mils and 2 ounces. I'm just going to open because I want to know what it smells like. Does it smell like roses? It doesn't smell like roses, but it's really, really floral. But it smells good. So, I mean, that's our first item. And they're saying that this is worth $14. So, next, we have the Baked Eyeshadow. I'm going to guess this one here. So it looks like a coppery almost color. And it's in the shade My Bad. So this is what it looks like. And it's kind of like a bubble, kind of. So I'm going to do a little swatch along my knuckles here. And it is very coppery. So that's our second item. Yes, second item. And this one is also worth $14. So we're up to $28. So I want to get to the $50 mark. And then it'll be worth it to me because, I mean, at least I got my money out of it, right? Because I mean, once you take in the fact that I'm in Canada and I have to switch my currency to US dollars, obviously I lose some money there from trading it. And then on top of that, I always have more delivery charges because obviously it's going further. So I do want to get at least my money back out of it. I know sometimes I don't always get it, but I'll try. Next is the So Susan Cashmere Matte. And it says various. Now, also to note, I got 2 of these. Not 2 of these, but 2 whole packages exactly the same. So I did open it. So, I mean, I don't know if this is going to be the same shade. Yes, it is. So, I mean, I tried it the other day and it was really, really chocolatey brown. So, I mean, it looks kind of reddish, but it's brown. So this is what it looks like. And my other one, when I opened it, the whole, you know, lipstick was out. And it smells like chocolate. Like, I don't know why. It smells like chocolate. Like cocoa. It smells delicious. But, I mean, I had it on my lips and I was like, I'm so hungry. So, I mean, it was really good. And this is a So Susan Cosmetics. And if you've watched my other videos, maybe it's not up yet. I have a bunch waiting to go out because I shoot generally a lot in one day. And anyways, I have a So Susan which does color curate. one of their Color Curate bags, I have this brand as well. Not the same one, but you guys should go and check it out. Like, subscribe, and then you guys can see my videos as they're going up. Because I do have a lot going up. I have, you know, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I have Ipsy versus Color Curate. I'm going to have a Melt Cosmetics coming out. I mean, I have just a lot all the time coming in. Got one coming that's called Me Undies, where my husband ordered boxers. Well, he didn't order the boxers, I did. And ladies, let me tell you, you can pick bold, basic colors, or you can even pick adventurous, which is what I picked. So I got to pick the designs on it, which is hilarious because he's got them coming and he has no idea what it's going to be. So stay tuned for that video because that might be hilarious. I think it will be because I picked them, so I already know. So you're definitely going to want to watch that one. Next we have Medusa Glitter Eyeshadow Shooting Star. Now this looks like just loose glitter, which I don't wear. So it has like four little spots there so you can tap it. I mean, I haven't worn loose glitter since like 2000 when I was in high school, and girls had like, you know, we just caked glitter everywhere, like all over our eyes. We had like the roll-on stick where you're rolling it on and rolling it down your arms, and I mean, basically we looked like a glitter ball by the time we were done. So, I mean, I probably won't use this, but I'll give it to one of my nieces, and then as long as someone uses it, I'm happy. Next is a velour scrunchie with hidden zipper for $10. Now, I've never quite seen a zipper on one, but there is. Mind you, you can see the elastic in it, but I mean, for those that still actually carry cash or want something else that's going to fit in here, kind of a cool idea. I mean, maybe 10, 15 years ago, it might have been better when we still carried cash, but I mean, I don't carry cash anymore, and I don't think I know anyone who does. But, I mean, it's a scrunchie, and you can hold stuff in it. So, that's a little bit neat. So, next, we have, it's not on here, so that one was $10, sorry, and it's saying the value is $68. And then we just have a bonus item for, I don't know what reason, but I'll take it. And it looks just like a lip balm. And by the looks of it, watermelon. Because it's kind of designed like a little watermelon. And it smells like watermelon. So that's our last item. So I mean, we did get the extra item, which is great. I do wish it was a little bit better, but I mean, it is what it is. Maybe next month will be. I did get 2 of them, so I got extra products anyway. So I mean, that's good. But anyways, like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can get updated about our incoming videos. Like, we are putting up multiple a week at this point. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.